Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make chocolate chili mocha. So let's move on to the recipe. I'm going to start by adding in 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. So here I have cinnamon powder, and I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So here I have some chili powder, so add in a pinch of chili powder. Can't wait. So here I have some icing sugar, and the only reason I'm adding it is because the cacao powder itself is a little bit, well, it's unsweetened. So I'm gonna add in 1/2 tablespoon of icing sugar. As you guys may know about me, I'm not really too big on having sugar, but I was like, for the recipe purposes to show you guys, what I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of a mix inside this glass so that the cacao powder, the cinnamon powder, the icing sugar is mixed. Okay, that's now nicely powdered now. So the icing sugar is also known as powdered sugar. So now it's nicely being mixed. It's really finely powdered. So here is some coffee that we've already put on the side. So I'm gonna add in 1/2 glass worth of coffee into here. Okay, so that's that. Now what I'm gonna do is just give it a bit of a mix, and then I'm gonna top it up with some boiled milk. So it's very important that just before you start this whole thing that we've shown you right now, that you boil some milk so that when you get to this stage, you have boiled milk to top up this coffee and these powders with. So here is some of the boiled milk. Okay, that's been mixed. And let's add some of the boiled milk. There we go, look at that. Giving a fine color. Oh, wonderful. So this is called chili chocolate mocha. Okay, so you saw how to make this chili chocolate mocha, and let me give it a taste, and then I'll actually explain how it tastes. So hopefully it's wonderful, and I'm hoping that it is wonderful. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. That is marvelous. That is superb. So what's amazing about this is I've never had anything like this. I've never had anything like this because what has been proven is that when you add in the chili powder, it actually brings the chocolatey flavor out even more. So there's more of an emphasis of the chocolate that hits your taste buds. So I heard about this, that there's a science behind this, and it's also like a Mexican way of making a mocha. But as I've just taken that to drink it, to sip it, one, the chili powder is very vibrant. It's very in your face, if I speak in terms of the taste buds, but also the chocolate is so strong. There's such a depth to the chocolate. So when you mix the both together, it's volcanic, but in a wonderful way, if you know what I mean. So it's delicious. I actually feel like having another one. Got some cream on top of it as well. Got some cacao powder. As we've spoken about cacao powder many times in the past, we keep bringing this superfood ingredient into the mix each time. It's a pivotal and integral ingredient for Imran.Family kitchen. Not just for myself, but for my family. They always say that you got to add in the cacao powder because it's one of the top antioxidants out there. What does it mean by antioxidants? Is that it's going to help you with age reversal. So people worrying about, oh, you know, we don't get any younger by the day. Every single person that's watching this, none of us ever get any younger by the day, but it helps us to fight those free radicals. It helps us to fight things like inflammation. And what's wonderful about it is that it's chocolatey. But add that with the red chili powder, and what a combination. So with that said, Do like this video. Beneath this video there's a like button with a thumbs up. Please hit that like button. Please. Por favor, lütfen. Very important for us. It really means a lot to us. Also hit the red subscribe button so that you subscribe to us, and that is a word of confidence to us because we come out with daily content. We have been putting in consistent effort to release these videos every single day of the week for the past several months. So please do subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Now there's a lot of people who have subscribed, but because they haven't pressed the notification bells icon, they sometimes feel that we are releasing our videos sporadically, maybe once every 2 weeks, once a month, because they're not able to see our content, because what YouTube does is they don't show you our content being released. So you have to hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our videos that are released every single day. And we try to make sure that we serve each and every one of you with a video each day so that you find new ways to make beverages, as I show, and my sister really helps by making all of the main course dishes. So we are bringing out this content, and with that said, catch you in the next one.